In our game Galactic Thunderdome, we have over 40 maps, a variety of game modes ranging from deathmatch to the single-player gauntlets. In order to support so many maps and game modes, we need editor tools to assist the level designer. The numerous tools to accomplish this can be split into two core categories: level design and logic design. The level design tools allow us to physically make and design the map. The logic tool allows us to set the game rules: lives, spawn position, item spawn logic, localization, and more. This video is a brief overview of the logic tools. So we start with a menu item. The level designer selects the game mode. They then need to open a map. I have some shortcuts in here so that you can the level designer can save their favorite maps for quick access. Once they open a map, the window will automatically update in order to sync with the prefab utility window and some JSON information. If you change the map or close the window, the tool is informed to prevent data corruption. Now that the map is open and everything is loaded, we have tabs. These tabs are different parts of the logic for the map need to be set up. So we have the basic tab, which includes information such as the description of the map's names, what tags to use, and this information will all be saved in a localizable file. There's also the production level. This makes it so that we can have maps that we can work on and can be locally available to us in the editor or in playtest builds and not the production build. When clicking on a tab, the appropriate zone and objects become visible, such as the item spawn zones here. This makes it so we don't clutter the map and we can easily map data to the zone. For this mode, Deathmatch, we have just a few settings to worry about. We need to set up the player's spawn locations. We need to set up what the player spawns with, and the item spawns on the map. When we save, it converts everything into a JSON file. When we play the game, it loads this JSON file in order to load our maps. What this allows us to do is it allows us to edit just the JSON file and not have to make a brand new build whenever we change information about a map. This also allows for some support for a modding community further down the line in the future. This is just a brief overview of the support tool. You can watch my videos about each tool in particular for more in-depth details.